Good day everyone. For today, we will discuss or solve a problem about open channel in fluid mechanics. Here's our sample problem. Water flows in a channel as shown in figure below. The velocity is 4.0 feet per second when the channel is half full with depth d. Determine the velocity when the channel is completely full, depth 2d. So, let's proceed to our solution. So, before natin makuha yung velocity sa fluid full, isosolve muna natin yung initial state na half full pa lang yung ating fluid. So, the velocity is 4 feet per second and the base is 10d and our depth is d. So, using the Manning's equation na ito, v is the velocity, n is the roughness coefficient, and r is the hydraulic radius, and the s is the slope of the channel. So, here sa ating channel is considered yung n at saka s as constant. So, una natin gagawin is hanapin yung hydraulic radius na r sub 1 is equals to area over perimeter. So, yung area ng rectangle na base times depth, na ang base natin is 10d times depth na d, we'll get 10d squared. So, the perimeter na 2d, or the perimeter of the rectangle na 2d plus b is equals to 2d plus 10d na base. Our perimeter is 12d. So, mayroon na tayong area at saka perimeter. So, makukuha na natin yung hydraulic radius natin, which is yung area 10d squared over perimeter na 12d, we will get 5d over 6. So, from the equation, isa-substitute natin yung given na value, which is yung 4 feet per second na velocity, at saka yung nakuha nating value ng r na 5d over 6 raised to 2/3. So, from this equation, i-arrange lang yun natin para makuha natin yung equation 1 na ito. So, may nakuha natin equation sa initial state. Proceed naman tayo sa ating final state, which is fluid full na siya. So, the base is same, 10d. The depth is tataas na siya, magiging 2d na siya. And the velocity is unknown. So, using also the Manning's equation, hanapin muna natin yung hydraulic radius niya in final state, or r sub 2, which is area over perimeter. So, our area in rectangle sa final state is base times depth. Yung base natin is 10d times yung depth natin na 2d, at makukuha natin yung area na 20d squared. So, the perimeter is 2d plus b. So, 2 times depth na 2d plus yung base na 10d. So, yung perimeter natin is 14d. So, substituting the values, our r will be 10d over 7. So, from the equation, yung v natin is magiging v sub 2 sa which is yung velocity sa final state, is equals to 1.49 over n times s raised to 1/2 times r sub 2 raised to 2/3. So, pinagsama natin yung n at saka s tulad ng kanina. So, we have here the equation 1 from the initial state and the equation 2 from the final state. In the equation 2, we can substitute the value of 1.49 over n times s raised to 1/2 is equivalent to 4 feet per second over 5d over 6 raised to 2/3. So, we will get here. And then, by simplifying the equation, we will get the value of velocity at final state, or v sub 2, is equals to 5.73 feet per second. And that will be our final answer in this problem. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!